trace. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. My name is Nanaya and the channel is about how to make money online and learn as well. Happy New Year, and I wish everybody finds his or her heart desire this year. So the channel is about how to make money online. As I said, in this year 2020, I'll not be making videos on how to make money online alone, because the channel is about to make money online and learn as well. So you'll be making money online whilst you learn. So the videos will be in two categories. One will be making money online and the other one will be learning as well. So if you don't see a video about making money and you see a video about learning, it will be about text, hacking or something like that. So make sure you watch all videos and learn whilst you make money. So if you are interested in making money online and learn as well, kindly hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. In this video, I have a website which pays you to complete surveys, and this website, I've never seen a website like this before. Their payout is really high. You can make $2 per survey, $1.5 per survey and above. So make sure you stay with me till the end, because I will be starting from the registration till the end. So make sure you stay with me so that you don't miss any step. I repeat, so that you don't miss any steps. So with that being said, let's jump into the video and start. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is connect your VPN to Singapore. So my VPN is opened, so I'll choose Singapore. Sorry, it is connecting to France. Sorry. No, disconnect. Okay, then I'll choose Singapore. Okay, so actually connected to Singapore. Okay, now you click on the link under the description. I will leave a link under the description, so you make sure you click on it. It will be the first link. Make sure you click after your VPN is connected to Singapore. Make sure you click on the first link under the description. Okay, so I'll paste the link and then hit on next VPN. Okay, so the first step is to fill in this information. So I'll pause the. Okay, so I've input in my name and my email, my password and my nickname, and the region. The region, you can select any of these: Central, Eastern, Northeast, and Western or West. So I've selected Central, and please enter the code. The code should be this one. This is the code they want me to enter. So I will type it. Okay, TQOWQ7. Okay, so postcode. My postcode, occupation status. I will choose full-time work. Okay, educational level, university or high education. Very good. So now the postcode, I don't know of the postcode. So what we have to do is we will open another tab. Okay, another tab, new tab. Then we type in Singapore fake address. Okay. Okay, so we hit on it. Okay, so this is it. Here is the postcode. I can copy this zip code, or it could be also postcode. any of them. So very good. I'll copy this and then come back here and then paste it. Okay, now I agree and then hit on register. Okay, so a final click and wait, you go. Welcome to Mobrog. You have registered with Mobrog. In order to participate in survey, logging in with your username and password is required. Please complete your profile after logging in so we can best send you surveys that match your interest. So we have just sent an email, so I'll go to my inbox. Okay, so the email is here, so I'll click on it. Okay, so you can click on confirm, but I already have an account with them and I registered with Chrome, and Chrome is my default browser. So in case I click on confirm, it will direct me there. So I'll copy the link and go to the other browser and paste in there. Okay, so this is it. Hi, welcome to Mobrog. Your current balance is $0. The following survey are awaiting your participation. Please note that each survey can be started only once. So you can also invite your friends, and each person that you refer, you earn $1. You see here. Invite your friend to Mobrog now and receive $1 for every active member invited by you. So you can also do this to earn more money if you want. So I click on the start survey. Okay, so here is it. Welcome. The following questions will help us to find suitable surveys for you. The questionnaire will take about 5 minutes to complete to increase your chances. So this is like a profile. So this survey is like a profile. They want to know you well, so that they send you surveys that are suitable for you or suitable to you. Surveys that matches your interest or something like that. So we hit on next. Okay, so here is it. What best describes your accommodation? So the right answer is owned. Yes, we own accommodation. Okay, so how many people live in the household including you? So we are three. Three. My wife, one child, and myself. So 3. Yes, though I don't have a child, but this is a survey. Are there children under 18 in your household? Yes, 1. If you have a child, when were they born? We said they are under 18. So you select I think 2007 would be under 18. I've not calculated though, I don't know. Okay, are they boy or girl? This one you can select any, but I'll prefer girl, because sometimes they give surveys about girls. I mean female. Are you and your partner spouse currently expecting a baby? I'll say yes. This video is going to be long because of this profile. In what year is the baby due? Let me say 2020. And in what month is the baby due? April. You can select any month. This one doesn't matter. And how long do you intend to breastfeed your baby or breastfeed? Okay, so I'll say 1 to 3 months. Okay, you select cat, dog. Yes, cat and dog is okay. Yes, you select the highest amount. What is your current annual household? Yes. What is your personal annual? So you select the highest amount, not below. As I said, this is your profile. They will use this to send you surveys, so please take note. Your job, yes, education or IT, and okay, 501 to 1000. Yeah, no, executive or leadership. What is your professional position, director or manager? If you work in organization IT department, please provide a more detail about your role. Network designer. Sorry, I don't work in an IT department. If you choose education, please select I don't work. This is a tricky question, so take notes. This video is going to be long. Are you primary decision? Yes, you are a primary decision maker. I own BMW. That is the only car I know. I'm not expert in cars. This one you can select any. What year? Okay. 2016. In what year did you purchase your household primary car? 2018. New. It wasn't used car. I don't have a car. For which purpose do you travel? Both leisure and business. Do not select one. Do you own a smartphone? Yes. So if you follow this, you get surveys every day. What brand is your smartphone? You select Samsung because it's popular. Here you have to select all, but because this I'm not going to use this account, so I think I'll select any, but you have to select all, expect none of the above. And here too you have to select all. Do you consider yourself the primary? Yes, I do. Here too you select all because they might bring a survey about gin, so if you don't select gin, if there is a survey, you're not going to get it. No, I don't smoke, but use other. No, I don't smoke at all. Yes, I don't smoke. If you follow this, you are going to get service every day. So those who skip the video, they are going to suffer. They are going to come back and say, hey, this survey, I don't get service. Do you use glasses or contact lens? No. Do you use hearing aids? No. Have you been? No, I have not been. No, I'm not sick. Select you are not sick. What type of research experts? Focus group studies, in-home testing, no. Webcam testing, if you are interested. Online bulletin board, phone service, SMS, you can download. No, I don't think we need this. Mobile usage studies, food, yes. Does the computer you primarily use to interact with research studies have a webcam? You choose the answer depending on your PC. Okay, thank you for your information. In your profile, you can provide more information and make changes to increase your chance of participating in suitable surveys. So you can make changes to your profile, and you get suitable surveys to do. As I said, if you followed this profile building, this one we just built our profile, So they will send us service due to the profile we just gave them, and I assure you that you are going to get service every day. Let me show you my profile or my main account right now. Okay, so this is my main account. As you can see, these are all surveys. This survey is worth $0.71. This one is $0.93. This one is worth $2.99. This one is worth $0.20. As I said, you get, if you followed the profile that we just built, if you watch it till there, you are going to get service every day. So as I also said, you can also refer your friends and earn more. You come and hit here, invite your friends. If you hit there, it will take you here, so you can add them by email or by link. So if it is by link, you just copy this one and then you give it to your friends to register, so that you will earn faster and more. So guys, this is what I have for you. You have to end here because the video is getting more and more long. So if you loved the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment below, and if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online, just hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. This is Mobrog. I hope you enjoyed this and make money out of this 2020. Hope to see you next time in the next video. Bye.